Hi everyone, welcome back to Soft Asia. In this video, I will show how mouse event works. So let's start. First of all, I will declare a constant variable named container element and assign it to the reference of the first DOM element with class name container using query selector method. Constant container element document dot query selector. Class is container. I will add an event listener to window object for mouse move event. Whenever the mouse moves, the callback function defined as the second argument will be executed. Now I will set innerHTML property of the container element. It will use a template string to define the HTML markup that will be inserted into the container. Inside the container there will be two divs elements with the class name mouse event. Event client X and event client Y will be placeholders that will be replaced with actual values of mouse X and Y positions respectively. Each mouse position value will be displayed within H4 element. Container element dot innerHTML equal to mouse event. Event the client X. H4 mouse X position Our code is complete. Now let's have a look on front end. How does it look? As you can see mouse movement in these boxes. This shows X and Y position of mouse. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.